guys, here is our chicken. I'm going to be adding 2 seasoning cube, onions and salt. So add some water. This is about 1 glass of water. So we cover and allow our chicken to cook. So this is what we are going to be blending. This is half bell pepper, 1 small onions and 1 1/2 scotch bonnet, and also our star of the day, which is the peanuts. Yeah, in here I have 200 grams of peanuts. So let's pop everything into the blender. I also add water. This is pepper soup ingredients. So the last thing I'm going to be adding is our crayfish. So guys, our soup is ready. You can actually cook your groundnut soup anyhow you want it. I laugh when some people say that's not how I make my this soup, my that soup. There are different ways to cook and you are going to get different results as well, okay? Meanwhile, I have other videos where I make groundnut soup. You can also check them out. There are also different recipes. So this one is pepper soup. Yeah, this one is pepper soup. You can make it lighter if you want, but this is how mine is looking like. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Ciao. You can actually eat your groundnut soup or your peanut soup with anything, any swallow of your choice. Yeah, I am having it with my rice. Yum yum.